Want to know how to create your own home solution system? Let's get started. Open your browser and go to home-solutions-planner.flexistorage.com.au. Upon opening, you will see a button labelled Let's Get Started. This begins your process of your planning journey. First, you will need to select the type of system you would like to create out of the two following options: strip and bracket or frames, connectors and baskets. In this case, we are selecting a strip and bracket system. Click Let's Get Started. Select your wall type. Selecting either plasterboard or masonry will determine the screw types you will receive for your installation. Please select the option that best suits your wall type. Step 2. Select system type. There are two types of slot systems for you to choose from: single or double slot. Single slot is the most economical system and allows you to create a simple shelving system. Double slot is a step up from the single slot and allows you to create a much more complex system with many more accessories. Select double slot to begin creating your system. Step 3. Get started to build your shelf. If you need some inspiration, you can select from our templates, or you can start from scratch by choosing your starter wall strip height to fit the height of your wall. These range from 300mm all the way up to 2133mm. Click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Tutorial. It is time to learn how to build your system by clicking on the Learn How to Build button. Use the arrows to read through the steps. It is very important that you read through this tutorial as it covers areas such as adding new sections, dragging accessories into available slots, moving components, changing the color of items, and adjusting the height of your system. Once you are finished, click Close. Step 5. Creating your system. Here you can drag and drop items onto your shelving system. Accessory options can be found on the right side of the page in the scroll down menu. Options with a red cross are not compatible with this system dimensions you have chosen and therefore cannot be used on your system. To add an accessory onto your system, drag and drop from the options on the right hand side scroll down menu. Clicking on one of the 4 icons will bring up different types of accessories: shelves, wire shelves, baskets and accessories. If an accessory is too close together, you will get a warning message. Please move your accessories to allow for enough space. As you drag and drop more pieces, your system price and dimensions will update according to each piece. To see the measurements of your system, click on the ruler icon in the lower left-hand corner and select from the pop-up options, Frame and Shelves. Clicking on the 3 dot points icon will bring you up your shopping list. This contains all the pieces that you would need to purchase from your local Bunnings store. If you get stuck at any point, clicking on the graduation cap icon will allow you to view the tutorial again. Click Next to continue. Step 6. Design Summary. Here you will find a breakdown of all the pieces you will need for your system, a preview of your design, a final price, and a design code. This design code will allow you to access and change your system at any time. If you would like to order the products via the Bunnings website, click on Checkout at Bunnings. This will take you to the order summary page on the Bunnings website. All your products available will be in the Bunnings shopping cart ready for checkout. To receive your shopping list via email, enter your details into the boxes provided and then click Submit. Your emailed shopping list also includes a Checkout at Bunnings button. You have now created your very own double slot system and are ready to head into store with your shopping list. Alternatively, visit the Bunnings website to buy online. Happy shopping!